What's up, everybody? I'm Van with Hang Free, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to add the Whoopie bridge to your saddle. It's very simple, easy to do, and we're going to get right into it. So basically, here's how your Whoopie bridge will come if you pick the unfinished version or the version that requires a simple splice. What you'll want to do, get that out of the bag, toss that bag off to the side, take that rubber band off. There's going to be a couple of different components. You'll have a splicing wire here. You can put that off to the side for the time being. You'll have a piece of bungee and a couple pieces of heat shrink. You can take those pieces of heat shrink off and put that as well as the bungee to the side for now. This is going to be a very easy splice. It'll show up looking kind of similar to a rope mod with a fixed eye, a little bit of a berry, and then that's about it for now. Then we're going to have to splice it onto the saddle. The first step to adding this bridge to your saddle is going to be to take the fixed eye. If you're right-handed, you'll take the right side of your saddle. Once flipped over, take the right side and start by girth hitching it here. If you're left-handed, you'll go to the left side of the saddle. However, I am right-handed, so I will be splicing onto the right side. Take that loop from the outside of the saddle to the inside, taking it there, and taking that tag end, which is pre-tapered, passing that through that loop, which will create a girth hitch, pulling all the rest of it through. There's your girth hitch. What you'll want to now do is take that same tag end that you just passed through, going to the other side of the saddle or the left side, passing it through the left side of the saddle and coming back over top. So now if you see here, that will be how it sits on your saddle. However, we got to make the actual splice. You're going to come back over to this right side that you just girth hitched on, and you're going to find the two marks that we make for you. It's going to be right past kind of end of that taper, which you can kind of feel if you run your hands down like that. You don't have to, you can just look and see the marks. However, this is where your splicing wire will come in. You want to take your hands, fluff that area up, and ensure that you don't split a strand, and instead you're going right through the middle of them and feeding that wire up. Also ensuring that you don't pop out anywhere. If you pop out, just pull it back a little bit and keep feeding it up. You'll go up to that second mark and you'll want to pop out at that second mark again, ensuring you don't split any strands. You'll take that tapered end that you just ran through the left side of the saddle and you'll place it into the tip of that wire, folding it back as so, and then you'll take this whole part you just spliced that wire through and you'll run it up to the top, giving it a little bit of a twist, sucking it down into there. From there, you'll just push from the bottom and pull that wire out, and you can pull this through a little ways and kind of milk that back tight, and that'll be what actually ensures that this holds. It acts as a Chinese finger trap. From there, you'll find, again, the tapered end. There'll be another mark on the tapered end. From that mark, so if you put that mark, say, on this ruler, it'll show us 20 inches. You'll want to go up to 26. So away from the tag end. Again, you're going to do basically that exact same splice, feeding this wire from that 6-inch mark you just made back up to that this mark is made at 4.5 from the end, feeding it out from there. This is where that bungee that I put off to the side comes into play. You'll put that bungee loop over the tag end, or the tapered end as well. Then fold that tapered end back towards itself. This is also called a backberry. Kind of fold that end over again on that wire, as you can see. And again, you're just going to be feeding it back through this end. From there, the one important thing to do, I like to make that knot at the end kind of perfectly centered. You'll take a pair of pliers or just get a real good hold on that tapered end, and you'll want to pull until this sucks down into itself, and you'll see it happen right there. So again, that bungee is really secure in there. This will act as your stopper knot, ensuring that it can't go back through that splice you made earlier. You'll take it and hold the bungee, pulling it back down, tightening it out. And that is technically how you add the Whoopie bridge to your saddle. you can take a piece of heat shrink and just for longevity reasons, put it on the end like that. Heat shrink it. That'll make sure that back bearer you just made stays in there. But again, that will act as your stopper knot, ensuring you can't slip off the end. And that's basically how you add the Whoopie bridge to your saddle. Very simple, very easy to do. The bridge will come with everything you need to do to actually add this splice, aside from the pliers, of course. But yeah, definitely check it out. It's one of the easiest adjusting bridges we have. And let us know what you think. I'm Van with Hang Free, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.